it's Jennifer, and I'm really excited for today's video just because we are unboxing the winter Fabfitfun box, and I have had this sitting in my apartment for I would say like 2 weeks now. Just because if you haven't seen my last video, I am pregnant, so I really have been, like, my first few weeks have been really nauseous, exhausted, like fatigued, like I've just been wanting to be in bed all day, and I haven't really been wanting to film, at least in that moment, just because I feel like I couldn't. But now I have so much more energy and I am ready to do this unboxing for you. So yeah, everything is closed. I haven't seen what's inside, so I'm really going crazy, and I'm gonna show you today what's inside. I love how they put so much time in the box and customizing it obviously to what's inside, but the outside, I like how they keep it with the season. So yeah, you just open it up, and it smells really good in here, so I'm excited to see what smells good in here. So there's a lot of stuff in here. Okay, so yeah, it's like stuffed in here. I'm really excited about this. So okay, let's just get the first thing. Okay, first thing is a Hava hydration cream mask. Okay, so I like the smell. Oh yeah, this is super creamy, super moisturizing. So yeah, I'm really gonna need this because even my face is drying out, and I have really oily face. So yeah, the second thing here says elevate 2 essential oils. I like this, and I'm definitely gonna use it. I already have a lot of essential oils from Marshall's, but it's never, you can never have too many essential oils, pretty much. So the next thing is, I've been actually looking at this because I saw Kathleen Lights did a video on this cosmetics line called Thrive. So I'm excited to see what this is. So this is a Brilliant Eye Brightener from Thrive Cosmetics, and it's a highlighting stick. So this is how much product it has. I think that's a pretty good amount of product, and let's see if it's creamy or anything. So I'm just gonna apply that on the back of my hand. Oh, okay, yeah, this is definitely a highlighting stick. Oh, that went on really smoothly. So the next thing, okay, I'm excited for the next one. This one is a eye mask with hyaluronic acid, which I don't think I can use right now because of the pregnancy, but I'll research that before I use it. Okay, so you just like pull it down from here, and yeah, they're just eye masks. So I've been eyeing this, and Fabfitfun online gives you like a early bird kind of thing where you choose what you would like, at least 3 things, and when I chose this one as one of the things I would like. And it's just an eyeshadow palette from Purr, and it's their Be Your Selfie palette. That is really pigmented, I must say, so I'm excited to try this palette out, take it with me, and do something cute with those purples. So the next thing on here is this Spongeal Beach Grass. It's a body contouring buffer with built-in cleanser. It's gonna help smooth areas prone to cellulite. It's a body wash and buffer all in one, cleanse, exfoliates, and massages all in one, and it has extracts of coffee and sea kelp. Ooh, this smells really good. This is what smells good. This is what smells good. We're almost done, but I still feel a lot of stuff in here. So the next thing I'm going to show you is this Punk Volumizer Mascara in Douche. I hope I'm saying that right. Douche. But this is a very big brush, so I'm really excited to try this out, and definitely in future videos you guys are going to see me try this. I'm really excited to show you guys the next one, and this is a Moroccan oil. This is like a hair mask. Yeah, so this is a treatment mask, intense care for dry and damaged hair, from the Moroccan Gold series. Yes, anything that's for dry and damaged hair is for me. I need anything like that because since I'm transitioning my hair, I'm practically relaxer free for, yeah, on October it was a year. So yeah, my hair, my curls are really dry, so I need as much moisture as possible. So I am definitely gonna try this out. This smells so good. Like, you guys don't understand. It smells so good. So the next thing is this H. Halston. Oh, I know what this is. This is from a jewelry. Yeah. So it's H. Halston Jewelry Portfolio. So you can basically keep your jewelry in here tangle free, which is going to be perfect because I'm traveling to Miami. So I'm going to see my family. So this is definitely a must for the jewelry. It looks like an iPad case. So H. Halston, that's the brand, and that's like the color. It's like a goldish color. So yeah, it's zipper, and this is how it looks when you open it. Okay, yeah, I get the idea. This is the last thing, and I picked this out specifically because I know it's gonna be cold, and I know you can never have too many blankets. So I definitely have to wash this because it smells like it's just been in a box. That's how it smells. But I love this color. It feels like a scarf, but it just feels really cozy and soft, and has a little stuff here at the end. And yeah, it's just something, you know, to have around if you're in an office. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I am literally over the moon. I'm so happy that I finally opened this box. Like I said, it's been sitting in my freaking apartment for 2 weeks now, and I was ready to open it because I was really excited. I love getting these boxes. It just makes you happy. And if you're someone that likes receiving gifts as your love language, then, like, you know, aside from what your partner gives you, you can, you know, do this for yourself as a gift. I'm gonna put everything that I got down below, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, just leave me a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye.